Here's a couple of pieces of Boulder Opal from central Queensland. The rule's in millimetres, and the material's been wetted to help highlight the colours and patterns in the stone. First piece, need to grind down to there a bit more. I think you start getting a bit more colour. This ends more sort of matrix material. Same with this piece, doesn't look much on the top, but there's a layer here. Nice colour. Might end up with a nice stone there. A red in it. The backing's quite good. Quite material, polish up quite nice. It should do. Same with this piece. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.